Director Nero, kami po'y nakikiramay sa pamilya ng mga biktima, sa pamilya ni Rene at sa pamilya ni Divine. It's very unfortunate, very sad. People say it's tragic, but we just have to be strong. But pagkatapos po nung makikiramay, kaya importante rin po, maunawaan ng lahat na kailangan namin gawin yung trabaho namin dito sa Philippine Sports Division. Because we are the government agency taking care of Philippine sports and the development of Philippine sports, lalo na yung grassroots and amateur sports. So, kailangan po na bigyan natin ng importansya itong unfortunate incident na to. So today, this morning, we released this statement. I'm sure you already have that statement. Please share it with everyone. But I would like to inform everybody because it is the entire country is crying, no? Not just the family members. I've been receiving text messages from people all over the country, yeah, and they are really very, very sad. No words can explain that feeling for all of us, di ba? Kung personally, simula kan doon papunta rito, kakabasa ko lang ng lahat ng video TikTok ni Rene. Ang dami ko rin tisyong sinayang eh. Di ba? Iniisip ko lang yung sitwasyon ko bilang ama. I'm sure gano'n kay Ternero, gano'n rin kay Confrits, no? Before I make that announcement, I'll tell you a story why. Nung nandun ako sa palaro, nung dumataan yung Davao, sinabi sa akin ng congressman ng Agusan na si Congressman Basco, Alfred Basco. Sabi niya, Chairman, tingnan mo yung batang kumakawayo, yung matangkad na kumakaway na bata. Sabi niya, napunta sa Davao yan kasi gusto mag-aral. Pero taga rito yan. Umiiyak pa nga nung umalis. Kasi sabi niya, kung hindi lang mo kami mahirap, hindi ho ako aalis ng Agusan. So kumakaway siya. Yung gobernador, kinakawayan siya. Yung mga congressman, kinakawayan siya. So kinakawayan ko rin siya. Kaway rin siya ng kaway. Paano ko na-realize ngayon na siya si Rene? Kasi nung nakita ko sa Spin, nung article ng Spin, yung nakita ko na kinakausap na ni Governor Santicane, yung nanay ni Rene. Sabi ko, ito pala yung batang so jolly, so happy, so proud, di ba, full of dreams, na kumakaway, na sinasabi nga ni Congressman Basco, umiyak iyak yan nung umalis sa Agusan, at humihingi pa ng patawan, na kaya siya nawala sa Agusan province, because he simply wants to pursue his dreams, and to study for his family. Ganun ka sakit. So having said that, true to life experience na ako mismo, kami nila Sani ang gano'n na experience namin. We have decided, no, in consultation with our government agencies, in consultation with stakeholders, in consultation with the DILG and the Office of the Press Secretary. We are now convening by tomorrow at 1:30 the stakeholders meeting, and we have invited the stakeholders meeting and the panel. We call it the stakeholders panel. It will be here in PS tomorrow at 1:30, and we have invited the following. Number one, the Executive Director of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Erica D., whom is also a lawyer. Number two, represented by the Philippine Sports Commission in charge of Basketball Commissioner Fritz Gaston. Number three, we've sent out a letter to the Chairman of CHED, Shirley Agrumis. Number four, we've sent out invitation and they have confirmed two representatives from the UAAP, namely Executive Director Remo Salisat and Father Aldrin Suwan, who is in charge of student affairs of Adamson University. Number